Hello coders, if you are new to the coding and confused about VS Code, this video is for you. This is Virtual Studio Code. It is a free code editor used for HTML, CSS, JavaScript and many languages. First, open VS Code. This is the edit area where we have to write the code. You can create a file here. On the left side, this is the file explorer. From here, you can open or create a file. Now, we write a simple code. From here, you can create or open a file in your folder. I'm giving an example of index.html in which I'm going to create a file. Now it is created, save change, and now you can edit and code here. I'm going to show an example here. As you can see, I have written a basic code here and I will run it in this editor, or you can also like this is an editor. You have to export the file, or you can also install live server. It's not much efficient, so I suggest that you can uh, install a separate editor, and you can also create a more file like I have created style.css, which is a CSS file. There are various short key in it, like you can see shortcut like this, and some are not that which can be installed further. Like this is it by which you can construct the basic construction HTML or HTML coding structure.
Thank you and subscribe for more.